Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we are going to talk about a training that will allow you to make $10,000 to $20,000 per month as a business loan broker. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. I want you to take a look at my screen. As you can see, here is a training that was created by Oz Koner. He teaches regular people how to make thousands of dollars each month as a business loan broker. The good thing about this job is that you do not need to have any certification or diploma. Anybody can do this, and you can work from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop. Here are some of the testimonials of people that have completed this training. As you can see, Daniel is able to earn $30,000 each month. Josh went from $0 to $110,000 in just a few months. Brandy made $7,000 on a $183,000 deal. There are a lot more testimonials like these ones on their website. You will find regular people that make more money than doctors and lawyers. And you will find the link of the website below this video. So what does a business loan broker do? They're like the matchmakers of the financial world. They connect businesses that need money with lenders who can provide it. And the best part? They get a nice commission for each successful match. Think of it as playing Cupid with loans and getting paid handsomely for it. Now you might be thinking, can I really make $20,000 a month doing this? Absolutely. The earning potential in this field is huge. Your income is directly proportional to the loans you close. The more businesses you help, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. But it's not just about the money. Being a loan broker allows you to be your own boss. You set your own hours and work at your own pace. You're in control of your career, and that's a powerful feeling. Imagine the freedom of being your own boss, setting your own schedule, and watching your bank account grow. So if you're looking for a lucrative career with high earning potential and the flexibility to be your own boss, becoming a business loan broker might just be the perfect fit for you. It's challenging, rewarding, and can be incredibly lucrative. What are you waiting for? First things first, you don't need to be a financial whiz to succeed as a loan broker. What you really need are strong people skills, a knack for networking, and a basic understanding of business finance. Think of yourself as a translator between lenders and borrowers. Start by brushing up on the different types of business loans available. Learn about interest rates, repayment terms, and eligibility criteria. The more knowledgeable you are, the more confident you'll sound when talking to clients. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of finance. Building a strong network is crucial in this business. Build relationships with lenders. Reach out to banks, credit unions, and alternative lenders. Understand their lending criteria and what types of businesses they prefer to work with. The more lenders you know, the more options you have for your clients. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with other professionals in the finance industry. The more connections you make, the more referrals you're likely to receive. Remember, it's not always what you know, but who you know. When you're connecting with potential clients, always put their needs first. Listen carefully to their business goals and financial situation. Don't just try to push a loan on them. Instead, act as a trusted advisor. Offer valuable insights and help them secure the best possible loan terms. Transparency is key in this business. Always be upfront with your clients about your fees and the loan process. Keep them informed every step of the way, and answer any questions they may have. Building trust is essential for long-term success. Remember, honesty is the best policy, especially when dealing with people's finances. By building strong relationships with both lenders and borrowers, you'll position yourself as a valuable resource in the industry. And as your reputation grows, so will your client base and your income. Now let's talk about marketing yourself. You need to let potential clients know you exist. Create a professional website that showcases your services, expertise, and testimonials from satisfied clients. A website is your online storefront, so make it count. Use social media to your advantage. Share valuable content related to business loans, financial tips, and industry news. Engage with your followers and position yourself as an expert in the field. Social media is a powerful tool to reach a wider audience and attract new clients. Consider using online advertising platforms like Google Ads or social media ads to target specific demographics and reach more potential clients. Track your results and adjust your campaigns as needed to maximize your return on investment. Marketing doesn't have to break the bank, but you need to be strategic about it. Remember, word of mouth is still one of the most powerful marketing tools. Ask satisfied clients if they'd be willing to refer your services to others. Offer incentives for referrals and watch your business grow organically. Becoming a successful business loan broker takes hard work, dedication, and a genuine desire to help businesses succeed. By following these tips and consistently putting in the effort, you can achieve your financial goals and build a rewarding career. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to take the leap and start building your dream career. The world of business loan brokerage awaits, and with it, the potential to earn $20,000 a month or more. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential and become a loan broker extraordinaire? The power is in your hands. Take the first step today and watch your dreams turn into reality. Click the link below this video to access the training.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.